If your HP laptop is suddenly asking for a BitLocker recovery key and you don't know where to find it, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your BitLocker recovery key and unlock your laptop safely. This tutorial is recorded on an HP Elite X360 notebook, but the same steps work on all Windows laptops, including Dell, Lenovo, ASUS, Acer, and any device running Windows 10 or Windows 11. Before moving on, it helps to quickly understand the difference between a BitLocker recovery key and a BitLocker password. For the Windows operating system drive, BitLocker always uses a recovery key, which is a 48-digit number generated by Windows and required when the system can't verify access. For external drives, such as USB flash drives or external hard disks, BitLocker uses both a password and a recovery key, where the password is created by the user for everyday access, and the recovery key serves as a backup if the password is forgotten. To understand where the recovery key or password is stored, it helps to see what happens when BitLocker is first turned on. When you enable BitLocker, Windows always asks how you want to save the recovery key before moving to the next step. This part is very important, because the option you choose decides where you should look for the key later. Windows usually gives you three choices: saving the key to your Microsoft account, saving it as a text file, or printing it on paper or as a PDF file. So if you didn't set up BitLocker yourself, it's a good idea to ask your organization or the previous user which option they selected. If you chose to save the recovery key to a file, Windows created a text file containing the 48-digit BitLocker recovery key. This file may be saved on a USB flash drive or an external hard drive, but not on the encrypted drive itself. So it's important to check any external storage devices you used when BitLocker was first enabled. Another method to retrieve the BitLocker recovery key is using command prompt, as long as Windows still starts normally. By opening command prompt with administrator privileges and using the manage-bde command, Windows can display the recovery password associated with the encrypted drive. This method works the same way on HP laptops and all other Windows laptops, but it only works if you still have access to the operating system. For many users, the most common and successful method is checking the Microsoft account. If you were signed into Windows with a Microsoft account when BitLocker was enabled, the recovery key is usually backed up automatically online. You can access it from another computer or even from a mobile phone by searching for aka.ms/myrecoverykey and opening the first result. When signing in from another device, Microsoft will first verify your identity by asking you to confirm a recovery email or phone number and enter the security code you receive. After signing in, you'll see a list of your devices along with their saved BitLocker recovery keys. Match the identifier shown on the BitLocker blue recovery screen with the one listed in your account, then copy the corresponding recovery key to unlock your computer. Once you locate the BitLocker recovery key or recovery password, unlocking the laptop is straightforward. When the BitLocker recovery screen appears, carefully enter the 48-digit code exactly as it is shown, including all numbers and hyphens. After the key is verified, the laptop will unlock and Windows will load normally, whether you are using an HP laptop or any other Windows device. To help bypass the BitLocker blue recovery screen in the future, it's strongly recommended to back up your recovery key before making BIOS updates, TPM changes, or resets, or major hardware upgrades. If you don't need BitLocker encryption, or if you are unable to keep the recovery key or password in an accessible place, you can also consider pausing or disabling BitLocker to reduce the chances of encountering BitLocker issues again. If this video helped you understand BitLocker and unlock your HP laptop or any Windows laptop, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Valium Media Tech for more clear, practical Windows and laptop troubleshooting guides.